Today we released our third quarter results for Orexo. It was a quarter with some positives and some negatives, and it once again proves that development in the pharmaceutical industry is rarely linear. The most positive for the company is of course the filing of OX124 in the US for approval during the second half of next year and launch late in 2024 or early 2025. We also continue to optimize the business, reducing our cost base, which is putting us on a good trajectory to reach EBITDA in balance during the second half of this year, despite having a slight negative result in the third quarter. Some of the more challenging development during the quarter was that the market for Zubsolv declined, in particular in the beginning of the quarter, but we've seen a recovery in the last one and a half months, but not enough to compensate for the decline we saw earlier in the quarter. But we are seeing a good start of Q4, and hopefully that will continue throughout the year. We also saw our OX640 project, which continues to be in an intensive business development process, but where one of the important elements is the development cost of bringing that product to the market. And here additional uncertainty came through the rejection letter of one of the competing products where FDA required more data. So we now need to get more information about what clinical data is needed for the approval, and then we can continue and finalize the business development process. Then we had our digital health, where we continue to work and where the MODIA study unfortunately didn't meet its endpoint. But we see a lot of positive in the studies that we can build on, and we still see that there are good opportunities for our digital platform, although that we're approaching that with a much more cost-cautious approach than we have done previously. With that, we're looking into an interesting 2024 with a lot of potential positive drivers, such as business development deals in our pipeline, such as rebounds and growth of the Zubsolv market, but also some of course, the launch of OX124 in the second half of the year. With that, I invite all of you to read our full report and listen to the longer presentation we will have later today.